Welcome to DNXT. We are discussing Class B subnetting. In Class B subnetting, in this video, we'll be discussing /25. /25 means this 20 out of 32 bits, your 25 bits are assigned to the network. And remaining 7 bits are of your host. Only 7 bits are there for your host. Now, when we are talking about class B, we know that its default CIDR is /16. Means these are major network bits. Default के बाद you have borrowed 9 bits from the host for subnetting. Right? So, how many subnet bits we have over here? We have 9 subnet bits. Right? And 16 default major network bits are there since we are talking about class B. Now let's let's discuss its subnet mask in decimal. First octet all bits are 1, so the value is 255. Second octet also all bits are 1, so the value is 255. In third bit also all bits are 1, so the value in decimal is 255. And in the fourth octet, the first bit is on and all the other are off, and hence the value is 128. So the subnet mask over here is 255.255.255.128. We have borrowed the bits from the two octets, all the bits from the third octet and one bit from the fourth octet in this scenario. Okay, please, this is very important, please pay attention that out of 9 bits, 8 bits belong to the third octet and 1 bit belongs to the fourth octet. So there will be an increment in both these octets. As we have borrowed the bits from both the octets, there will be an increment in both these octets while writing the subnetwork. Okay, now let's write down all our formulas. First is how many subnetwork. The formula is 2 to the power x, where x is the subnetwork bit. How many subnetwork bits over here? 9. So 2 to the power 9, 512 subnetworks we will get over here. Okay, how many host per subnetwork? That is 2 to the power y minus 2, where y is the number of host. How many number host bits we have over here? 7. So 2 to the power 7 minus 2. 2 to the power 7 की value क्या होती है? 128. 128 minus 2, that is 126 host or endpoints you can attach in each subnetwork. 126 IP addresses you will get in um, each subnetwork. What are the valid subnets? Means increment kitne ka hoga? As we have already discussed, there will be an increment in both the octets as we have borrowed the bits from both these octets. So 256 in third octet the increment will be of 1. जैसे /24 में previous video में we have already discussed increment of 1, वैसे ही यहाँ पे increment of 1 will be there in third octet, and in fourth octet the subnet bit value is 128 as only first bit is on. So 256 minus 128, 128 का increment will be there in the fourth octet. Now let's write down few of the few subnets over here. Okay. So first of all, we will start with 172.16.0.0/25. Then increment हमेशा पहले fourth octet में होगा and then it will be in the third octet. So next subnetwork में increment पहले fourth octet में होगा. So 172.16.0.0, 172.16.0.128, as there is an increment of 128 in the fourth octet. Now if you add again 128 over here, so it will become 172.16.0.256, which is not a valid number for writing our IP addresses. Our range lies between 0 to 255, right? So 128 is, again addition of 128 is not possible. Sorry. So the next subnetwork will be 1.0. Then it will become 1.128. Then 2.0. 2.128. सो बेसिकली /24 में जब आपका इंक्रीमेंट 1 का था तब आपने 0.0, 1.0, 2.0, 3.0 ऐसे लिखे थे सारे सब नेटवर्क. अभी 0.0 और 1.0 के बीच में, 0.0 और 1.0 के बीच में और एक सब नेटवर्क आ गया 0.128. Are you getting it? इसीलिए हर एक केस में और एक, ये दो सक्सेसिव सब नेटवर्क के बीच में there is one more सब नेटवर्क and hence 256 से नंबर ऑफ सब नेटवर्क की वैल्यू हो गई 512, that is double of 256. So basically subnetworks will be 172.16.0.0, 172.16.0.128, 172.16.1.0, 1.128, 2.0, 2.128, 3.0, 3.128. So remember that there will be an increment of the 128 in the fourth octet, and when there is next increment is not possible, in that case there will be an increment in the third octet. It's just like your timer. For example, this is your hour, minutes and seconds. So when you start the timer, it will move from 0, seconds will move from 0 to 60. Actually it will move from 0 to 59. When 60 will be there, it will not display 60. Instead यहाँ पे 1 minute हो जाएगा and ये this will become again 0. फिर से it will move from 0 to 59, then this will become 2. So this will move from 0 to 59, then it will become 100. So timer जैसे आपका 0 to 59 के रेंज में रन होता है, वैसे ही हमारे IP एड्रेस 0 to 255 के रेंज में रन होता है, राइट. सो व्हेन इट्स 256 तो 256 नहीं होगा, इंस्टेड ये फिर से 0 होगा और इसके प्रीवियस प्रीसीडिंग वाले ऑक्टेट में वैल्यू 1 से बढ़ जाएगा. Simply same as your timer. Okay, so these how many 512 IP addresses you will extremely sorry 512 sub networks you will get, and 126 IP address in each of these sub networks you will get. So let's write down its broadcast ID. So 172.16.0.127 प्रीवियस, जहां पे इंक्रीमेंट किया है उसका प्रीवियस नंबर. सिंपल. अभी देखो नेक्स्ट इसमें 172.16.0.255, क्योंकि 1.0 के पहले 0.255 आता है. /24 में ही हम लोगों ने डिस्कस किया है. 172.16.1.0, इसका ब्रॉडकास्ट आईडी विल बी 172.16.1.127. यहाँ पे दिस विल बी 1.255 in this case. Okay, what will be 512th sub network? That will be 172.16.255.128. This will be your last sub network. ये जो आपके सबनेट बीट्स के वैल्यू है, those will be there in the increment वाले octet में. And what will be the broadcast ID of this last subnetwork? It will be 172.16.255.255. What will be the first valid host over here? ये नेटवर्क आईडी है. फर्स्ट वैलिड होस्ट विल बी 172.16.255.129. What will be the last valid host? 172.16.255.254. इसका previous, इसका next, because this is the range 1 to 7. This is your range. So network ID you cannot use, broadcast ID you cannot use. So first valid host so you have to actually use from 2 to 6 na. In the same way 172.16.255.128 से लेके 172.16.255.255 is your range. You cannot use these two IP addresses because this is your network ID and this is your broadcast ID. So what will be the first valid host next of the network ID, that is 172.16.255.129, and the previous 172.16.255.254 is your last valid host. Okay, let's discuss about first and last valid host of this. First valid host will be 172.16.1.1. Last will be 172.16.1.126. This will be the last valid host. I hope this is clear. We'll be discussing /26 in our next video. So stay tuned with DNXT. Thank you.